All right, hello everyone. Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I just want to talk about this air purifier. We found this in Costco, and I think it was like $120. And they, $120. And they had a $20 coupon to discount, so it brings that to about $100. And my wife's been complaining that the room had a lot of air or dust, so we just want to try this out and see if it actually work or it's not. It's gonna work. We don't know. The model for this number is C610, right? So maybe this is only exclusive to Costco. I don't know, but let's take a look at it. As you can see, Breathe Smart, monitor and control your air with the Winix Smart app. So I guess it connect to Wi-Fi, and you guys can connect, can control itself. And here, it has a 2 years filtrations. True HEPA, captures 99.99% of particles as small as 0.01 microns, which is tiny, right? And it's purified up to 384 square feet, and set it, forget it, and it has 4 stages of filtrations. So what does this come with? And I believe somewhere up here it tells you exactly. Okay, so what's in the box? You get the purifier, and then you get the 2 all-in-one filter sets. So that's it. So let's open the box and let's take a look. First thing is we see the 2 filters, right? And then we have the air purifier. This is the manual. It's quite small. 2 years limited warranty. It's not bad. I think I opened it upside down, I think. Maybe not. Right. And this one, just lift it up. Maybe a little bit heavy. You use both hands. There we go. So, they come with these stickers. Right? And other than that, it's just an empty box. That's it. Pretty much it. Like the box stated, the 2 filters, the purifier, and the stickers. Right? So now, basically, we'll go inside. Get in there. Right? Bring it inside my room, turn it on, and test it out to see how good it is. So to remove the filter, you just lift it upside down and you turn it counterclockwise, and then you remove it. Right, so now if we want to use we have to remove all this.
Phải bỏ cái bọc ấy đi hả ba?
Yeah. Throw this away. So this one like that.
Bao lâu mình thay?
Every 2 years. So according to the manufacturer, this filter should last 2 years. So they come with 2. Then just put it back on. And then we're ready to turn it on. And then you turn it. There we go. Right. And now we're good to turn it on. And let's give it a try.
Có wifi nữa nè.
Okay. So this. All right, so right now what you see is just you go to the app store and you started to look for the look up the Winix Smart app, and you start downloading it. So sometimes it can take a little bit longer depending on your internet connections. As here you can see that I live in America, so United States. So you pick the location where you're at, and like I said, depending on the connections of your internet, sometimes it could be faster, sometimes it could be slower. Here, I think it took us about maybe less than 2 minutes for it to download the app. once you finish downloading the app, you need to, like, if you already have a login, then you set a login. But in that, you need to create one, basically just email address and your password. And then you have to accept all of the terms and conditions, and basically put accept all, and then hit the next button. Here you got to create the account. So I'm gonna skip that because I don't want you to see what I have in there to confirm it that it's you. And then from here, you just pretty much use the login to into the app. Right, once you're there, it'll ask you what product you're registering, and this is the that product's right there. You need to look for the model number. It's C610, and that's the one that we have. I was kind of hesitant to not sure what model of the product that I purchased, so until then, just hit the next button. And this is part where it asks you to connect into the Wi-Fi button. You hold it right 3 to 5 seconds, and then after blinking, you go back to the your setting and make sure in the setting Wi-Fi you look for the Winix, and when you get that, you just hit connect over there and you hit next and you go back out. This part is pretty much self-explanatory. And now it is registering your product, and it shows that it's connected to my network. Once it's complete, it's going to ask you where is this product placed at. Is it in the living room? Is it in the bedroom? And depending on the location where you place this thing, you're just going to change it to according to the locations where you want it. And I just hit complete. And here is the layout or the display of it. You can see right there, the filter live is 100%. And it says that the bedroom, the quality is fair, and you can just click on it. You can go into the control settings, the set schedules. Like there's pretty much like anything that you can do on the actual display of the unit, you can use it through your phone and make adjustment accordingly. You see right here, there's a power button, right? And then they have the auto to the right hand side of it. And then they also have the speeds that you can tune to your liking, like low, medium, high, or turbo, plasma, sleep, child lock, and then display. So this is pretty much self-explanatory. So the higher the level, of course, the noisier it's going to get. But it's not to the point where it's extremely bothersome, I would say. So after you plug in the unit, you just power it on, and you need to connect it to your Wi-Fi. And I'm gonna show you how to set up the Wi-Fi. You gotta go to hold this thing for I think 5 seconds, and then when it flashes, you connect into your phone. Go to the setting, and you gotta look for it, and you connect it, and then it's your first time you create a user and a password. And there's a couple of settings here that we need to look at. There's like this is the dim light, right? Depending on how bright you want it, that's the settings. And here you have the auto, and then we got the low, medium, and then high, and then we got the turbo, and then we got the sleep button as well too. So I guess the sleep button means it's gonna go not as loud as possible, pretty lowest. And then you have the child lock here. Child lock, when you hold it for 3 seconds, you hear a chime. Basically right now, when your child, when they come here, they try to press this, it doesn't work. Everything's locked. To unlock the child lock, you just hold it for another 3 seconds, and then it will unlock. And then you can do put it in the auto, or you can make it even go faster. The louder, the faster it goes, the more fan noise you're gonna hear. In a little bit, you're gonna hear the fan noise. And in the center, it's the power button, so on and off button. So that's all the settings here. You can do it through the app once you download the app. Pretty straightforward, pretty easy. And usually like this filter, it will last you for about a year. So like the manufacturer stated, you set it and you forget it. So, you know, if you want cleaner air, you want to try this out. So I'm not sponsored by Costco or by this company. We bought this with our own money. So we just want to have a cleaner room with cleaner air. So I'm probably going to do a follow-up video on this device here and let you guys know, do I like it, what I like about it, what I hate about it, and stuff like that. So if you like to a follow-up video, make sure you give a like and subscribe to the channel. But other than that, thank you for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to leave in the comment below. Other than that, be safe. Till next time.